Hey there, and welcome to my channel. It's Deidre from our Upcycled Life. If you like thrifting and DIYs and repurposing, you've come to the right place, and we'd love to have you follow along. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any great content. Today I have a fun little quick video on how to take a dollar store planter and make it into a really cute boho feel planter if you like that kind of decor. All you need is a hot glue gun, some twine from the dollar store, and a little bit of patience, and you will create the most beautiful little planter. Okay, let's get started. And this is a planter that I'm going to transform into a beautiful boho planter. I picked it up at Dollarama for $3. And you're going to need a ball of twine that I also picked up at Dollarama. The first thing you want to do is make 3 strands 6 feet long. And you're going to take those 3 strands, and I'm going to tape them right to my table so they'll stay put, and then I'm going to start braiding. And make sure you braid them nice and tight so it's a nice looking braid all the way down right to the bottom of the 6 feet. Okay, now we got it all braided, and we're going to take the pot and we're going to put 1 round of the braid along the whole bottom of the pot, and I've kind of glued the ends on each end of the braided piece just so it stays together. Warm that glue gun up and then stick that braided piece around the whole bottom of the pot. And when you meet, cut the end and then glue it down firmly with a little bit of hot glue. Now you're just going to take your twine and just start wrapping all around the whole pot. Now I'm going to put another layer of the braided piece of twine around the pot. This kind of just gives it a little bit of texture instead of just having twine wrapped around the pot. I think it just kind of makes it look a little bit more elegant and a little bit more expensive. And again, just cut it with your scissors when they meet and glue it down really well with a little bit of hot glue. And wrap some more twine. And 1 more layer of the braided piece. And then you're going to add the twine to the top of the pot. Okay, and now we have that all done, and now we're ready to add the nice fringe. Take a string and measure it around the length of the pot and leave about 3 or 4 inches on each end. Now I'm going to use a little bit of a thinner twine for this, and what you're going to do is you're going to take about 4 inches of the twine, cut in half, and you're going to cut a whole bunch of those because that's what's going to make up the fringe along the top. And you're going to need a lot. This is where the patience comes in. Okay, so I have them all cut, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a lark's head knot. So on that piece that you cut that fit around the pot, just loop it over the back and then pull the 2 little strings through and attach all of those little pieces that you just cut all along that piece of string. Now, doesn't that look awesome? Still a lot of work to do yet. I'm going to glue that fringe all along the top of the pot. Okay, now it's all firmly attached to the top of the pot. Now I'm going to add that last piece of the braided twine along the top on top of that fringe. Now time to unravel all of that fringe. And now I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to just comb it and get all the loose pieces out of it and make it look nice and pretty and flat. Now I need to cut that fringe so it's all the same length all the way around, and here's a little trick. Take some painter's tape and tape it all around the whole jar so you can have it completely even all the way around, and then you can take the scissors and cut along the bottom of the tape. A few little pieces that need to be cleaned up, and then we're almost done. And there you have a beautiful boho style planter with dollar store twine and a dollar store planter. If you have a chance, check out what I just did with the upcycled bottle. It's a really cute boho plant hanger. I'll put the link above in the description. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and thanks for watching.